In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to sign out of Apple ID on iPhone. So if you're trying to log out of your Apple ID on your iPhone but you couldn't, then there are some settings you need to disable. As you can see, I'm unable to sign out of my Apple ID here. And I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to sign out of your Apple ID on your iPhone. You don't need to open a browser and you don't need to use any Mac or any other devices. All you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, you want to scroll down and click on Screen Time. Click on Screen Distance, then toggle off Screen Distance. Type in your screen time passcode, hit the back button once, then scroll down and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Hit the back button. Again, scroll down and click on Change Screen Time Passcode. Then tap Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Here, you want to type in your screen time passcode. Once you see Lock Screen Time Settings, just hit the back button, scroll down, and click on your Apple ID profile name. Then you see the option to sign out of your Apple ID account on your iPhone. If you hit the sign up button now, you'll be prompted to sign out of your Apple ID if you click on the sign out button at the top right. So this is how to fix unable to sign out of Apple ID on iPhone. Found this really interesting? You want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.